Investing can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started, but don't worry, Canada offers some fantastic beginner-friendly options that can really help you grow your money safely and smartly. So let's take a look at some of the best investment options for beginners in Canada. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are 5 great choices to consider. The first one is the TFSA, it's the tax-free savings account. This account lets you grow your investments without paying taxes on your gains, okay? I think it's at $98,000 right now, I'm not too sure. So, making it a great place to start. RRSPs, ideal for savings for retirement while getting tax benefits along the way. If you're making over $50,000, put it in the RRSPs, the difference in TFSAs. Index funds, low cost, simple to invest, wide range of companies without taking on too much risk. There's dividend stocks. These stocks pay you regular dividends, offering a steady stream of income while also growing in value. And you got GICs, which are guaranteed investment certificates. It's a safe option that guarantees your money back plus interest over a set time. So if you're feeling confident, these beginner-friendly options can really help you take your first step towards smart investing. So don't wait. Start now to build your future. Leave me a like if you like these recommendations. I love you.